Hello, Malta. We meet once again. This is Qawra Point Beach, a popular beach here in Bujiba and St. Paul's Bay and Cavra. And I am catching the last rays of sunset over here at Cavra. So I have arrived at the airport almost 2 hours ago, and it was almost 1 hour ride to get here, and then I'm off to my very first beach adventure here at Cavra Beach. So this is not an actual sandy beach, and there are a lot more better sandy beaches here in Malta, but this is quite convenient one. There is one spot there where you can go into the water through stairs that I'm going to use, and you can also chill here on the rocks and find your own inner peace. Today is 19th of January 2024, and currently it is 18 degrees Celsius in the air, and based on seatemperature.org it is 16.7 degrees in the sea here, the Mediterranean Sea. And it is not actually my first time here in Malta. This is my fourth time. I was here in 2010, 2016, 2017, but all those 3 times was for athletics competitions, where I competed in either 400 or 400 meter hurdles, 200, even the relays. So this is the first visit here in Malta as a tourist. And I'm going to be here for 4 days, 3 nights. So 4 days, and this is day one. And I'm gonna do only one beach adventure today. So yes, exploring. My hotel is 4.6 kilometers away from here, so I'm gonna take a nice walk along the coast. So let's check out the water, as it is now 17 past 17, so 5:17, which means that the sunset hour is over. Based on Google, the sunset is at 17:15. So let's take a swim before it gets really dark. So it looks very nice actually. So you can either go directly from the rocks or use the steps that are now occupied by other people that want to swim. So that's good, because that means I'm not the only one today. And if you know me, you know that 16.7 degrees, it's very warm for me, because I usually swim at minus temperatures. Not in the water, but around zero in the water. So this is very warm actually. A bit colder than Cyprus, where I was 2 weeks ago. There it was around 19 to 20 degrees Celsius in the water. So I'm really happy to explore more here in the Mediterranean now in January, because in Sweden we had this morning minus 18 degrees this morning. So now it is here, so after 3 hours flight it's now plus 18, so 36 degrees difference. So it's quite awesome. So let's then dive in and enjoy in my first beach adventure in Malta that I filmed, because I have been swimming a lot in Malta when I was here previously for the athletics competitions. So let's go! So nice and brilliant. And even there's a bit of sand here as well. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing beach adventure in January. It's so nice. So pretty. So yeah, I started off now with this rocky beach, but in the next 3 days I'm gonna be checking out some beautiful beaches that I never visited before, because as I said, it's my fourth time in Malta, but the first 3 times I was mainly here for athletics competitions, so I have only 1 day off to explore. And then I checked out the Blue Lagoon already, and Valletta and Slima and Marsa also. So now I'm gonna be exploring the best beaches that are located on the north part of Malta. So let's dive in once again, because the water is nice. So nice and warm. So nice. It's beautiful, so beautiful. I'm gonna be chilling a bit here more because look at the color of the water. During the day it can be even better, to be fair. So, and the level of saltiness, it is extreme. I mean, it's super salty, and Malta has one of the most cleanest beaches also in the EU. So the water is crystal clear, as you can see. So yeah, that was the first episode from Malta, and I'm gonna be sharing you also facts about Malta in each of these episodes. So the fact for today is that the capital city of Malta is Valletta, and it's one of the oldest cities that was structured and built, planned actually. So one of the first cities that was planned and was built per plan. So yeah, that's a wrap, and thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.